Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about the easiest acne treatment that works while you sleep. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Believe it or not, when I was younger, I had some pretty aggressive acne, and I was given this one tip that really helped me help out my acne and help it heal. It's a very simple tip. Now think about this. When you sleep, you're sleeping on your pillow. Well, you're probably sleeping on your pillowcase that is wrapped around your pillow. So on that pillowcase, especially if you're bald like me, there's lots of oil. And even if you have hair, there's lots of oil. And guess what? When you're sleeping on that pillowcase, all of that oil transfers to your face and can create oily skin, which can contribute massively to acne, okay? So what is one thing that you can do to solve this problem? Well, some people might say, change your pillowcase every night, but who has 7 pillowcases to use once a week? So the tip that I heard that worked really well was to actually go out and get 7 different towels. They can be face cloths. They don't have to be big. They just need to be large enough to cover the vast majority of your pillow, okay, the surface area of your pillow. Go and get 7 face cloths. You can do 3, 4, 5 of them if you want to, if you're willing to do laundry more often, but I went out and I bought 7 of them, okay? And I stacked them in my closet, and every night I got a fresh, clean face cloth, and I put it over top of my pillow, and I slept on it. And at first it felt weird because I was sleeping on a face cloth, which wasn't as comfortable as my pillow. The face cloth wasn't as soft as my pillowcase, so it did feel weird. But what I noticed was my acne started to clear up slowly but surely, and I wasn't doing anything else differently. I wasn't changing any of my daily routines. I was just putting that little towel on top of my pillowcase. And every morning I would put the towel in the dirty laundry and I would get a fresh one that night. So every single night I had a brand new, fresh, clean towel on my pillowcase. And that caused me to essentially have much less oil on my face. I was using all of these other tips, like showering more often, like trying to shower twice a day, cleaning my face twice a day, drinking more water, eating fewer sugars. I was doing all that stuff, and my acne was improving, but it was improving a little bit. And when I used this tip, it generally took an upward turn in how well it was improving. So this is a simple tip. If this is the only thing that you do, will it help you? Of course it will, but what will do a better job is if you incorporate multiple things. And this is probably the one thing that you can do all those other things like I did, but this is probably the one thing that will take your acne healing to the next level, because you spend at least 6 to 8 hours a night on your pillowcase. And if it's oily, that oil is going to contribute negatively to your acne, right? If your pillowcase is clean, in the case of this, the towel that's on top of it's clean, then guess what? It's going to contribute positively to healing your acne. So that's it. It's a simple acne treatment that works while you sleep. It helped me when I was younger, and honestly, I really wanted to share this with you. As you can see, like, there are still a couple of marks that basically just, are there for life. I just couldn't get rid of them. But for the most part, I would say, like, considering the fact that I had quite a bit of acne on my face, my skin ended up healing well because I ended up treating it, as soon as I possibly could. And I basically aggressively went at it in terms of like everything that I could do, I was trying. And this little trick helped me maximize my sleeping hours, because all the other stuff that I was doing was working well when I was awake, but this trick helped me maximize my sleeping hours. That's basically it. That is the easiest acne treatment that works while you sleep. A simple tutorial, really easy to do. You don't have to buy 7 towels or 7 face cloths. You can buy fewer of them. You just have to be willing to do your laundry more often. I was doing my laundry once a week at that point. So that's why I bought 7. But you can buy fewer or more. If you do your laundry once every 2 weeks, go buy 14 of them. It's up to you. Whatever works for you. But that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.